tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm gonna create a very simple Kotlin application which is called Color App. And what our app consists of, actually it consists of a RGB channel of red, green and blue colors. So each RGB channel should be added as a so every RGB channel should add two hexadecimal characters, and where each characters can be a value of 80 to 9, as a int, or letters A to F, A B C D E F, A to F. Okay, so the value of all these three channels will be then combined to produce a 6-character hexadecimal color, like this one. Pretty much like I want to create a hexadecimal character of colors. Okay, just let's remove the alpha, so it will be pretty much like this one, pretty much like this one without the alpha. And yeah, we'll have to display this we have to display all this the color in the app. Okay, so this is our main motivation of creating this application. So what we will do, we will create a form of a 3 editable text field, in which the user can add 2 hexadecimal values for each color, and is these values that user will input will be validated with these constraints. The constraint are the value should be from 0 to 9 and or A to F letters. And we will have to combine, after filling of this tree field, the user should click a button that takes the three values and concatenates them to create a valid hexadecimal color string. Okay, so this should be converted to a color and displayed in the UI of the app. So this is our app that we are going to make. Okay, so we have a blank screen, and this is our activity, this is our layout file. Okay, let's just close each and every unnecessary files. We have just, okay, this is our requirements. Okay, this is our activity and this is the layout. So okay, so first thing is we have to create our layout. So okay, let's not waste the time, let's create the layout. I'm gonna create a text layout which is matching the parent and which is pretty much wrapping the content. Okay, actually it's a title. Text is a color creator app. Okay, let me extract this string. Title. Okay, and what else? I have a gravity center, top to top of parent, so it will be in the top of the start to start of parent, so it should be starting from the parent. Okay, so this is the first thing, and then now we have to also have the description, okay, of this okay, so we will have a description also. Okay, let me just copy. Okay, this is a let me write title text view, description text view, and okay, let me create the title for this app. It's app. Okay, color creator title. Okay, it is like color. Okay, and description what is the description? The description is we have to pretty much add two hexadecimal characters between 0 to 9 and A to F or A to F without the like we don't need to write any this kind of has character, you know. So we don't need to write this has character. Okay, so this is the description of our application. So let's title, okay, and the description. So is top to bottom of is title text view. So guys, now we have to create all this these three channels, you know. As I was telling you, is first thing is you need to have a text input layout, text input layout which is pretty much matching the parent and wrapping the content. Okay, and inside this we will have a text input edit text which is also pretty much matching parent, wrapping content, and yeah. Okay, so this thing will okay, let me add the constraint top to bottom of description text view. Okay, and obviously it will be start of parent. Okay, so let me add the id of it will be the it will be dedicated to red channel. Okay, it is a red channel text input layout, and what else? Okay, we also need to have a hint. All right, hint is a red channel, but I want to just extract a screen as a red channel. Okay, and okay, so what else we need to do is we need to also write the red channel. Okay, let me write this as a wrapper, and this will be the red channel. Okay, the value, and we will have some input type as a text cap characters. Okay, so the max length is we want of 2, size 2. Okay, so what else we can have here is like we can also have here digits, like we want to filter with the digits like a b c d e f, maximum a b c d f, a b c d e f, a b c d e f. Okay, and or 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so these are this digits is like pretty much like filtering the concept. So okay, so let's me run this. Just I want to verify if it is pretty working. Okay, nothing is working for the moment. Why? It's activity colors. Okay, because we don't have set content view. Okay, activity colors, guys. Okay, okay, yes, I can see that this is working pretty fine, but I don't like it because it looks pretty It looks pretty awkward in the sense like I am missing the style. So let's fill up the styles here. uh, Let me fill the styles here. So the first style is a I want to add the style, title style, okay, here. And I want to the description style is okay, I want to also make this description pretty the description style can also be something like that, so I'm not worried about the okay, let's create the okay. So let me add the parent. Okay, so I want to make it more like this one, and let me create the style also for the description. So, okay, I want to make it as a body one, so I don't need to add extra information. Style, okay, style, I want to make it description style. Okay, let me apply this and see what's the changes here. Yeah, okay, so this seems to be okay. So but I want some kind of a margin of 16 dp, and on the horizontal margin, no, it's like a vertical margin. So because I want to see the okay, okay, I want to also okay, see if now it looks pretty okay. Okay, so I want to make it pretty like this. Okay, okay, now it looks pretty almost okay. So now what else we want to change is we want to change the yeah, we don't want to change anything for the moment. uh, okay, we want to change how the color input will be looking like, okay, right? So uh, yeah, we can also actually it's a text input layout style, right? So uh, let's add the text input layout style. Okay, and yes, okay, this looks pretty much okay, I mean looks pretty cool. Okay, what next now? We have to also actually and now add more channels, right? So let's add other channels. Like I just need to do copy and paste. So I just copy this, paste it down here, and I need more channels. So I red, green, it's like a green channel, and finally we have a blue channel. Okay, so yes, this is perfectly fine. Let's apply this. And okay, yes, it is not working because we have to obviously it's between its channel wrapper, and this is a green channel wrapper, right? So let's make this. Yes, and but we need to obviously check the change the hint, and this is a green channel, and let me extract the string, and obviously this is a channel, and I want to extract the string here. So yes, we are done with this, and let me apply it. Okay, we have a red, green and blue channels to input our values, right? So yeah, finally we made our channels. Now what next? We have to add a material button, okay, which is pretty much match parent and wrap content, and this button is pretty much like it's a id that create color button. So let me do it like this. Okay, and let me also, like we have top to bottom of is blue channel wrapper, right? And start to of parent, yeah, we have this button. And finally we have to display the color what we have generated, right? After we input, we create the color and we generate the color. So what we have to do is what does it creates the color. So let me write the text is create color. Okay, extract a string. Okay, create color, and match parent, wrap content, here we have so we display the color created or created, yeah. So let me write this one and extract the string here. And finally also we need to have the constraint. We can pretty much constraint top to bottom of create color button, and finally we have the start of parent, yes. And pretty much we also need id actually, because we have to access this UI by the id. So color display, okay, color display. So this is the id, and style is okay, let me put this another style. Okay, let me put the style of our description, because at the end we don't need to okay, so that's it. And let me apply it. Yes, but we are something here is wrap content, guys, and we are missing the margin here. We are missing also here. We are missing something here, like start to start of parent. It's like already matched parent, right? So okay, I think this is okay, guys, so we don't need to pretty much worry about anything else. Let me put just yes, we need to put the gravity to center. Let me put the gravity to the center and let's see. Okay, so this looks pretty okay. I put the margin dp. Actually, you know, I could have put everything in the style, so let me create another style for this one. Okay, color style. Okay, this display color style will have a body of 1 and it will have a margin, gravity, text size. I want to make it 16. Okay, I don't need the text color, I don't want to be it. Okay, so display color size, right? So I think pretty much we are okay, right guys? Let's check it. Okay, looks perfect, guys. I want to also add a pretty much I want to add a pretty much a margin here. Okay, just to make it perfect. Okay, so this looks perfect for me, guys. And okay, so let's move further and let's write a code for this one. Okay, so okay, let's write our code here. So first thing what we need to do is we need to find by id, that's a button, and what we need to do is dot color button. Okay, and what we need to do is set on click listener to the button, right? And so we need to check the red channel text, find view by id, text input edit text, which is pretty much red channel. I need to find the text and I need to make it to string. I need to take the text of red, green and blue channels, right? So green and blue channels. And so yeah, with these channels what I have to do first is check that all the fields are filled in and is valid. Okay, so if a red channel text is empty, or is not empty, or green channel text is not empty, or blue channel text is not empty, we do certain things, else we make a error toast. So error message. Okay, so here we toast and make a text. We make a text and say that all values are required, right? We need to have all the values. Toast long, so this text okay, now this is the logic here. The logic, our main logic lies here. What you do, we check that 2 hexadecimal characters have been entered, okay, and is not and if not, add the same hexadecimal can again, and add the same hexadecimal character again. Okay, so how do we do that? If red channel text dot length equals to 1, red channel text equals to red channel text dot plus red channel text. Okay, so if there is a sorry guys, it's I have to make it all mutable, right? And the same thing goes with the not only red channel text, green channel text, and also with the blue channel text. Green channel text and blue channel text, actually the same logic applies here. And blue channel text, okay, actually the code are pretty much repetitive, so and what else after we have got the values? Color to display, so we have to display a color of a red channel text plus green channel text plus the blue channel text. We have to concatenate the values, and color as int, we have to do like color, parse the color with the hash symbol, and then plus we have to use this value of color to display. We parse this color, find view by id. Now it's a text view. We find the id of the text view is the display the color created here, and we create the color display. In this text we set the background color of this text. Okay, so guys, this is what is the main objective of this application. So let's do that. Red is 112, green is 34, blue is 56, and let's create the color, and this is the color guys. So if I want to just ff, it's like okay, ad, you see you cannot actually type more than 2 characters. So if this one, we create a different color here. So yeah, I have come to my final application, and this is the final application. As you see that it's already working, and we have achieved our objective of creating our app with these requirements. And if you like it, please do subscribe and follow, and just write me any comments if you have any questions. And if you like it, just subscribe guys, and catch you on the next lecture. Thank you. Bye bye.